Hello and welcome back to my channel, Emily's Creative Life. In this video I'll be showing you how I created this Wreath Builder template. I am starting out with this plastic folder that I found at Walmart, and I will use my Fisker's paper trimmer to cut that down to a 5 3/4 inch by 5 3/4 inch square. When I have finished with that, I use my T-square ruler and mark it at 2 7/8 inch, and then rotate it and mark it again to find the center of that piece of plastic. I will draw a line connecting that in the center. That will also help me line up my die here in a minute. I use my stacked square die set by Sizzix, and I'm using that second largest die, and I will line the corners up with those pencil marks. I use some purple tape to hold that down as I run that through my Sizzix Big Kick machine so that it doesn't move. When I have finished with that, I will line it up in the other direction. And back when you're marking those pencil marks, you'll want to go from corner to corner to have those pencil lines to line up the corners of the die with. I forgot to do that, so I just eyeballed it right here, but it worked out just fine. Again, I'm using that purple tape to hold it down so that it doesn't move as I run it through my die cutting machine. And I am also die cutting it from some cheap white cardstock so that I could have the right size for a demonstration. I thought it would be easier to just die cut it while I had my die cutting machine out and that die rather than using my paper trimmer to cut a square out. Here I have placed the template in my stamp positioning tool and held that down with some purple tape. And here's that piece of cardstock. I will be using a stamp set by Art C, a floral stamp set, and my Squid ink in the color Mermaid Eyes to stamp that down and show you how that works. You can use whatever size die, square die you want to, whatever will fit through your die cutting machine. This one that I used is the largest I could get through my die cutting machine at an angle. But if you have one that can go bigger, then you can do that as well. So here I'm just stamping it every rotation to show you how that works, and it creates a perfect wreath. I hope you will give this a try, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a video of mine, and thanks so much for watching.